Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I have some really cool information, and I'm doing something that I've never done before. Well, actually, I have done this before because I've obviously started my business from scratch, but I'm doing something just to prove that I know that my method works, right? And I don't just preach, right? I don't just say, hey, this is how you do this and go and do it. I actually practice what I preach. So, what I've been doing the last 4 weeks with a group of students is I'm starting a brand new business from complete scratch. I'm talking about a brand new YouTube channel, a brand new niche. Everything's from scratch, guys. I've never done this before. And I want to show you some results in the last 4 weeks from this brand new business that I just started. Now, for those of you that have been following me, I opened up a very small group coaching program where I told them I'm going to help them leave their 9 to 5 job. And with that, I'm actually doing it with them. I'm actually going to be building a 6-figure business from complete scratch. And again, I've never even touched that niche before. It's a brand new niche, but I'm going to prove to my students that I'm currently coaching that I'm going to start a business. I'm going to build that to 6 figures. I'm going to show you guys right now some of the results today. So I'm really, really excited. So this is a brand new channel that I started in my group coaching. Okay. This was 4 weeks ago, as you can see here. And this is literally blowing up. This brand new YouTube channel. I'm already getting affiliate sales from this, and I already have a ton of subscribers. And this has literally just been in the last 4 weeks. Okay. Now, bear in mind, I know YouTube very well. Okay. But what I'm doing is I'm proving to a certain group of students that I can build a business from scratch. And the rule is I'm not going to use my existing audience, my existing email list, my Facebook group, nothing. And obviously for that reason, I'm not going to reveal the actual channel, but this is the back end of this brand new channel that I just started from scratch. Okay. So what I want to talk about is this brand new YouTube channel that I started. Okay. Now this channel, I actually started it in a niche I have literally no idea how to do. Now, I have certain frameworks that I teach my students, and that's what I'm literally having them go through. Okay, and I'm showing them that I can get commissions without having, over 1,000 subscribers, without being monetized, but I can still get high ticket commissions in a niche I have literally know nothing about, right? Maybe a little bit of experience, but I have no idea how it works, right? So what I'm proving to you guys is that anyone could start a YouTube channel today and they can build their business from scratch. Now, you probably don't know how to do it, right? That's the one thing that I do have. I have the knowledge on how to grow a brand new YouTube channel from scratch, right? If you're just starting out, you probably don't know how YouTube works. I now have 6 channels that are fully monetized and they're making me money. And this one right here is just something I'm doing for fun, but I'm also doing to prove to my students that I can build a channel from scratch, okay? As I mentioned, I opened up a group coaching program. I'm walking my students through step-by-step how to start a business from scratch, but more importantly, how they can leave their 9 to 5 jobs, okay? So inside of this, obviously, we've already had 4 calls, okay? So as you can see here, we've had coaching calls with me personally, okay? And, some of these calls have lasted well over an hour, up to 2 hours with some of these calls. Now, these are very intimate calls where people can ask questions. They get coaching from me, and basically I give them the secret sauce here, right? I give them all the tools, all the resources that they need to build their business from complete scratch, right? I have a question from Caesar. Okay, is this program for beginners? Yeah, man, absolutely for beginners. Again, I don't know if you know my story, but I started as knowing nothing about the affiliate and digital marketing space, right? And that's the goal with the coaching program. Okay, so Mandeep Kaur. Okay, how do I get this? Okay, good question. So you're gonna go to this website here, and I left it. If you go to YouTube, I actually left it in the YouTube comments. This is something I'm doing this last time. I'm literally never gonna do this again, okay? Because it's gonna be a super high ticket coaching program to get access directly to me, okay? So Michael Jones, what's up, brother? So if you are a member of Freedom Breakthrough 1.0, and choose to upgrade, you get the coaching 75% commissions in white label. Okay, so Michael, yes, you do. Okay, so actually I did close that for 1.0 members, but dude, shoot me a message on Facebook. I know you personally, so I will still allow you to upgrade. So you'll be able to upgrade from 1.0 to 2.0. So no worries, my man. I'll get you all set up. You'll get access to obviously the coaching calls here, the 75% commissions, which is obviously huge. and then obviously the white label. Okay, so shoot me a message, Michael. Since I do know you personally, I'll hook you up with that, my man. Okay, so what I do in the white label is I give you this whole challenge. Okay, literally this whole challenge is imported into your account. Okay, that's just another bonus I give you guys. Okay, so that's kind of what you have to expect. Okay, so let me put this up again, guys. You get obviously Freedom Breakthrough. But right now, I'm reopening up the coaching spots. Okay, I opened up 35. We're at, I think, around 25 right now. So we already had 10 people buy in the last couple hours or so. Okay, so what you're gonna get with Freedom Breakthrough, you're gonna get the white label 3-day challenge. You're gonna get the YouTube Ads Breakthrough course. It's a brand new course that I just released, and you can only get it when you get Freedom Breakthrough. You're gonna get 75% commissions for life on all high ticket programs. And then, of course, you're going to get the private Facebook community with Freedom Breakthrough. And then just right now, we're doing the coaching spots. Okay, so Caesar, my question, what happens if I can't make the live coaching class? Hey, that's totally fine, man. You actually get the replay access. So if I go over here, you can see that we give you the replays. But more importantly is I give you the homework that goes with it. Okay, so grab week 4 documents. So I give you all the documents here. It's not just a few. It's not just like, here's a piece of paper. It's literally gold. Like everyone that's in this program will know that I'm giving you guys stuff that I do not even mention in the course itself. Okay. Pretty high level stuff, guys. Okay. This is stuff that I've paid over 6 figures to learn myself. And I want to help you learn. I want to help you do this. Okay. And this is something I can't just teach like in 5 minutes. I can't just tell you right now. There's a whole foundational process to doing this correctly. And that's why I've been able to grow this channel from 0 to over 21,000 impressions and hundreds of subscribers in just a few weeks. Okay, so the Facebook group here, almost 500 members in Freedom Breakthrough. I mean, this is such a lively group. Okay, so like if I go over here, I mean, you can see Matt is posting his YouTube video. I mean, this guy here has been hustling, guys, and I could see who's doing the work, right? This is like almost my inner circle, right? I mean, this guy is posting videos after videos after videos, and he's growing his business from complete scratch. It's kind of cool because I get to coach a lot of these students, and you start seeing who's the real deal, right? Like you got the people that come to the coaching calls and they like the coaching, but then they don't take action, right? You can have the best program in the world, but if people aren't taking action, then it's not going to do anything. So people like Matt, like the one I just showed you earlier, it's cool to see because like literally he's doing the work. Like it's super cool to see somebody that will follow step by step what you're teaching. It's the coolest thing, guys. Like for me, at the end of the day, like obviously I love making money myself, but I think something more powerful is seeing others make money and quit their jobs and have financial freedom. That's like the biggest thing that kind of drives me, right? How can I create programs and bring trainings that really helps my audience really crush it? And I think that's what a lot of people don't understand when they get into this game, right? It's like they just want to make a lot of money. And I understand, right? Because that was me when I first started. But at the end of the day, it's like, how can we create content to provide more value to help our target audience? Okay. And that's what really drives me now, especially, I've seen some decent success in the past 18 months. So that's kind of what drives me now. But I just want to show you guys a few things here. But these are the things that go on in my group, guys. I mean, very, very engaged group. I mean, we have people asking questions all the time. I do things like this for my audience where I literally will make their own YouTube video for them specifically. You can see over 300 people wanted that. Eberto is crushing it. I mean, he's taking action every single day. He's creating content based on the framework that I'm giving him. Again, Prasanj, I told you, like his comment here just literally touched my heart. Like this was so cool, like to see this comment that I mentioned earlier. I don't know, just such a cool group, guys. I mean, and I allow them to share their content because, I want to help them grow. I want to help their YouTube channel, right? Daniel Chow, always killing it. This guy is just always crushing it. To be able to serve my audience at a higher level is just so much more fun and satisfying, and really drives me to create better and better content. Okay. Do you just use one affiliate offer or multiple ones? Oh no, man. So I teach the affiliate stacking ecosystem, right? So, if you're in even the 3-day challenge, my $7 challenge, I teach how the affiliate stacking ecosystem works. But yeah, I basically teach how to promote multiple different products. Okay. And that's really important because you want to be able to promote multiple products. That way you can obviously have that multiple passive income. The affiliate stacking ecosystem, this is literally the most powerful thing on the planet. when it comes to affiliate marketing. No one's teaching this because no one knows how to do this the way I do it, right? So I've come up with my own system that works very well. Okay, there's the link to join Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Right now you'll get access to my group coaching as a bonus, and then once that's closed, it's closed. That's it. I'm not opening it up again. Okay, and that's it. I'm opening up another program later where I'm doing coaching and mentoring. That's going to be a whole different program, a lot higher level. Like, this is the last time to ever get into something like this because I can be a lot more intimate with my students and give them a ton of value. So, all right, no other questions. So see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless. Hopefully we'll see you guys in Freedom Breakthrough 2.0.